بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه. Honorable Chairperson, respected teachers, distinguished guests, and my dear brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On this annual function, I want to deliver a speech on the topic resurrection. My dear audience, it is very hard for a disbeliever to accept that Allah can make him reborn after his death on the day of judgment. وكانوا يقولون أئذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أئنا لمبعوثون أو آباؤنا الأولون. And they used to say, what? Once we die and become dust and bones, shall we then indeed be resurrected? And our forefather would be resurrected who had passed away long time ago. Allah explains this very beautifully in Surah Al-Qiyamah, verse number 34. أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه. Does man think that we cannot assemble his bones? Why not? When we are able to put the very tips of his fingers together in perfect order. We know that the prints of fingertips of every person are different, and the impressions of fingerprints are used to identity of different persons throughout the world. The impressions of two people never match with one another. We further know that Allah has created human beings in a very similar shape. He has made their fingerprints different from one another. If Allah can do this, why can't He resurrect a person from dust and bones? In another place, Allah says in the same Surah Al-Qiyamah, verse number 36 to 40, أَيَحْسَبُ الْإِنسَانُ أَن يُتْرَكَ سُدًى أَلَمْ يَكُنْ نُطْفَةً مِّن مَّنِيٍّ يُمْنَىٰ ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى. Does man think that he will be left neglected? Had he not been a sperm from semen emitted, then he was a clinging cloth and created and proportioned and made of him two mates, the male and the female, is not able to give life to the dead. Here Allah is saying that He created human beings from a fluid and made them male or female who differ with each other physically and emotionally, and in spite of their wide differences in various ways, they are complementary to each other, and life of one without other is incomplete. So, if Allah can produce such individuals who differ so much and are still absolutely necessary for each other, why can't He bring the dead to life again? Allah describes it in a more simple way in Surah An-Nasiyah, verse number 27 to 28. أَأَنْتُمْ أَشَدُّ خَلْقًا أَمِ السَّمَاءُ بَنَاهَا رَفَعَ سَمْكَهَا فَسَوَّاهَا. Are you a more difficult creation, or is the heaven? Allah constructed it. He raised its ceiling and proportioned it. Allah explains to us that it is very difficult to construct skies without pillars. If we try to find any fault in the creation of the skies, we will fail, and our eyes will become tired while looking for faults. If Allah can produce such individuals, why can't He bring the dead to life again? Allah says in Surah Ar-Rum, verse number 50, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنَّكَ تَرَى الْأَرْضَ خَاشِعَةً فَإِذَا أَنزَلْنَا عَلَيْهَا الْمَاءَ اهْتَزَّتْ وَرَبَتْ إِنَّ الَّذِي أَحْيَاهَا لَمُحْيِي الْمَوْتَى إِنَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. And among His signs, you see barren land, but when we send down any water to it, it flourishes and increases by itself. And the one who revived it revives the dead, and He can do everything. This is known to all, young, rich, poor, educated or uneducated, that the rain falls by grace of Allah, and the bare land slightly riseth, and somewhat expands, giving way to the soft and tender plant coming from deep level. And these miracles takes place in front of our eyes, even in our backyards. So the firm belief in resurrection is part of our iman, and any kind of weakness and shows the weakness of our faith. May Allah strengthen our faith on the day of judgment. Ameen. Taqabbal ya Rabbal Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.